Phosphate analyzer installation and calibration demo. First, you can set it up on a table like this, or go for flush mounting. The installation kit shipped with the unit includes sewage pipe and inlet water sampling tube fittings, water sample, filter, user manual, reagents, keys, sealing rings, and other spares. Power connection steps. Use the key to open the rear cabinet door and get a 220 volts power supply ready on site. Open the wiring box cover. Feed the power cord through the hole at the bottom of the unit. Pull out the terminal block. Connect live wire to the first left port, neutral to the second, ground to the third. We only hooked up live and neutral in this video. Tighten all wires. Push the terminal block back. Refit the cover and screw down the 6 screws. Power setup is done. Water sample filter installation. Next, take out the water sample filter wrapped in pearl foam. You'll see 2 screws and 1 sample inlet. Prepare a 5/6 water inlet pipe with the control valve on site. Connect it to the filter and twist it tight. Unscrew the front screw of the filter. Align it with the hole on the side of the instrument. Tighten the diagonal screws. Then unscrew the inlet port screw. Insert the single-channel water sample tube and tighten it. The other end of the inlet pipe connects to the on-site water line. It has a 6 mm outer diameter and 4 mm inner diameter. The blue ones are control valves to be prepared on-site as needed for adjusting the inlet water flow. Sewage pipe installation. Take out the sewage pipe. Connect it to the discharge outlet at the bottom of the instrument. Run the other end straight down to the on-site sewage bucket or sewage pond for direct discharge. Standard solution prep and setup. Close the rear cover. Head to the front of the unit. Open the front door and power on. Wait for the screen to light up. Reagent bottle 1 holds phosphate reagent. Follow the manual to mix it yourself. Standard bottle 1 is for standard 1. Default concentration is 3 mg per liter. Standard bottle 2 is for standard 2. Default concentration is 7 mg per liter. After mixing, go to Settings, click Menu, select Parameter Setup. Factory defaults are 3 mg and 7 mg. If you use standard solutions of other concentrations like 2 mg per liter, just enter 2 here and save. Calibration. Next, perform calibration and enter the calibration interface. First, measure the instrument's accuracy. Prepare a standard solution of a specified concentration on site. Add it to standard solution 1. Click Measure standard solution 1 and wait approximately 5 minutes for results. It is recommended to conduct 2 measurements using the second set of data as the reference. If the reading is close to your actual standard concentration, no calibration is needed. If the measurement exceeds the allowable error, refer to the instrument's manual for measurement accuracy specifications. The device must be recalibrated. The calibration procedure is as follows. On-site, prepare standard solutions of 3 mg per liter and 7 mg per liter. Respectively, pour them into the standard sample 1 and standard sample 2 bottles and securely install the bottles. First, click Calibrate Standard Sample 1. The instrument will then perform calibration using Standard Sample 1. Once calibration of Standard Sample 1 is complete, This process involves 5 consecutive samplings of standard sample 1, taking approximately 25 minutes. Click Calibrate Standard Sample 2. The procedure for Standard Sample 2 is identical to that for Standard Sample 1. After the instrument completes 5 calibrations, each for Standard Sample 1 and the Standard Sample 2, it will compute the measurement results and accordingly calculate new slope and intercept values. Note: after calibration is complete, click Save Results. If any errors occur during the process, you may choose not to save the results. Channel setup. For 2-channel or 3-channel units, there are multiple flow meters. Inside the number of flow meters equals the number of channels. Keep the water flow at 10 to 15 liters per hour for best performance. Click to enter the channel menu. Turn on 1 channel for single-channel units. Turn on 3 channels for 3-channel units. Just match the number of channels you have. Then click Save. Measurement interval setup. The unit is seconds. You can set it from 0 seconds to 9999999 seconds. Save and return to the main screen. The device will start measuring automatically. The installation and calibration demonstration of the Phosphate ion analyzer has been completed.